Club Roar! I have a super fun activity I want to share with you guys today. So let's start with talking about supplies. We're going to need a paper plate. We're going to need some paint. So it doesn't matter what color you have. You can use any color that you have at home, and we're going to be putting our paint onto our paper plate. You're going to need 2 toilet paper rolls, or you can use one long paper towel roll. And we're going to take each of these paper rolls and we're going to cut them in half. So we want to cut this roll in half so that we have 2 pieces for each roll. They're going to kind of look like this. They're going to be a little bit shorter, and we're going to use these for our bunny face and our bunny ears. You're going to need some construction paper so that we can stamp our bunny onto it. And we're going to need some tape so that we can tape everybody together here in just a second. So you're going to cut your paper rolls in half so that you have 3. We need to use 3 of those pieces to make our bunny. So we're going to get our 3 pieces, 1, 2, 3, just like this, and we're going to hold them together. Now, bunny ears aren't round, right? So we want to give our bunny ear piece a little squish right here, a little squish, so that they don't look so round. We want them to have a little shape like bunny ears. So once you've squished them like that, you're going to take some tape, and you're going to tape your pieces together. Just helps hold them close so that when we stamp our bunny onto our paper, that the ears and the head all kind of come together. So we're gonna take our paint, oops, wherever my paint's at, here it is, my paint, and we're gonna put it onto our paper plate, and then we're gonna take our stamper of our bunny, and we're gonna whoosh it around inside that paint. Once you got a lot of paint on there, you want to get a lot of paint and get all the edges of your bunny rabbit coated. And you're going to take your bunny rabbit and stamp it down onto the paper. I like to push on mine to make sure that it gets down in there really good. And pull it up. And when you pull it up, that's kind of what you've got right there. We've got a bunny face and 2 bunny ears. Now, in a little bit, when your paint is dry, you can take a pen or a marker or more paint, and you can give your bunny some bunny ears. Some bunny eyes. He's already got ears, right? I'm going to give him a little bunny nose. It's going to be a heart-shaped. And then I'm going to give him some bunny whiskers right there. So there is my bunny with a face. You can even color in his ears and give him some more color there. You can do whatever you want because it's your bunny rabbit. Now, another thing that you can do with your paper roll here is to make Easter eggs. So Easter eggs aren't circles, right? We want to give our roll another little squish right here. I'm going to use a different color paint for this. So I've got some teal paint here. I'm going to go ahead and squish my roll right into that paint after I've squished it so it's not round. And I'm going to stamp it down on my paper. And that's going to give me my Easter egg. So there's my Easter egg right there. Again, when your Easter egg dries a little bit, you can add more paint to it and color it in. You can draw some lines on it. You can do whatever you want to make your Easter egg look nice and pretty. So that is how you're going to make some bunny rabbits and some Easter eggs. Hope you guys have a nice break.